Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to install large knobby tires on quantum power chairs, so stay tuned. Installing these large knobby tires on the quantum power chairs is pretty easy. There's two different versions. There is a solid tire and there's an air tire. These are the airs, but they do install the exact same way. So we're going to start by taking off the old tire. Installing the tires is really easy, and taking off the old one's also pretty easy. The only thing you'll need is something to lift the chair up. I have this hand jack. You can get these from Magic Mobility. And you need a 1/2-inch socket set. I'm going to use an impact drill just to make this video faster, but a 1/2-inch socket set for these. So all you have to do is prop the unit up just so the tire is barely above the ground. You can use anything. You can set it up on blocks or anything like that. I just have this hand jack here. So once the tire has been lifted up, we're going to take these 5 nuts off. And the tire just comes off. So installing our knobby tires is actually the exact same process. You don't have to do anything else to the unit. It will fit under the fender. You don't have to modify anything. These are made by Quantum. We do sell these. You can click the link in the bio to buy them and we can ship them to you. But they just line up just like the other one did. And they just slide on like that. I'm going to hand thread one of these just so it stays on. I'm going to hand thread all of them. Then I'll come back with my drill, or if you have a socket set. Now keep in mind, these tires will increase the width of your chair about 2 inches on each side. So if you have very narrow doorways, these will increase about 2 inches to the overall width of your chair. Now the tire is on. I'm going to drop the chair back down. We would do the same thing to the other side, but as you can see, the tire fits really well. This has been how to install large knobby tires on quantum power chairs. If you like this video, or if you want to purchase one of these tires, if you have any questions, please give us a call. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.